Alright, so I'm starting off with like a purple-ish bright color, just blending it in there. And then I'm going in to cut my crease. The type of concealer that I'm using is this concealer palette from Hot Topic, I believe. It's kind of old, which I got a while back. And now I'm just barely using it. Oh well. Alright, and now I'm going in with like a coralish, peach-like color. Sorry, I can't even talk right. And then just going through it with the crease. Just giving it some sort of color. Because these eyeshadows kind of suck. I don't know why I chose to use cheap eyeshadows for this look. Again, we're on a budget here, so we're using whatever. And then going in on the other lid and doing the same goddamn thing. Okay, so now we're going in with like a champagne-like color. Well, more shimmery champagne-like color. Again, to make it pop more. And we gotta keep going through it. Going through it. And then, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in and defining the crease with a darker color. So you can see you gotta define your corners. You gotta go over it. Oh, I think I got some eyeshadow in my eye. Some fallouts. Yeah, just you gotta keep going through it until you have the desired shape and shade that you want. See, it's that corner, man. That corner is always the most stubborn. Yeah, again and again, I'm gonna keep doing this. Oh, what are you looking at, girl? Okay, focus. Anyways, going back in. Well, now I'm doing the eyeliner, which is like sometimes I hate doing eyeliner and other times I love it. I guess today was one of those days where I was kind of having a hard time with it. As you can see, I'm kind of frustrated with it. It's pulling out my corners. Like, come on, little corner, just be pointy for me, please. Just be pointy. Alright, going in with the other one. Moment of truth. And I felt it. Ugh. Literally what I'd be thinking sometimes when I do my eyeliner. It's just that frustrating. Okay, so I put the lashes on off camera, as you can see. And I'm going in with some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the bigger size. I think the shade is called Fair. Yeah, I put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Because I will be baking and putting setting powder on it. So as you can see, I'm contouring my nose a little bit. I tend to use my fingers just because I'm kind of lazy when it comes to it. So now I'm going in with the setting powder and baking under my eyes. Baking is such a tricky process sometimes. Because sometimes if you do too much, it looks like it doesn't look good. And other times if you do too little, it just doesn't really look like you baked much. So like it didn't really make a difference. But either way, it didn't turn out too bad here. And then going in with some powdered foundation. This one's by CoverGirl, I believe. It's that little compact thing. So I use this just to put everything more in place, like smooth it out and whatnot. And now I'm contouring my cheeks and my chin with some bronzer. Just gotta suck those cheeks in, sister. Suck it in like everything else in life. Yeah. Just get it all in there. Shape you want. Contour that forehead too and your nose to make it look all cute. So now I'm going back in with my beauty blender just to, you know, smooth everything else out. Whatever I missed when I was contouring. Now putting on some blush. Some rosy cheeks. Just slightly rosy. And then now the highlighter. Can never have too much highlighter. Put it all over your nose. It looks like you snorted it. Yes. Like I bumped my chin into it too. Yes. Lots of it. And then I'm setting it all in with some setting spray. I had forgotten to put lipstick on. So now I'm doing like a quick stab of lipstick with some ABH1. And now we're done. Ooh.